In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split cells in tables in Google Docs. If you're working with a table in a Google Docs document and you need to divide one cell into multiple sections, this is a quick and useful feature to know. Splitting a cell can help you organize information more clearly, especially when you're adjusting a layout, creating subheadings, or making room for more detailed content inside a table. To get started, open your Google Docs document and locate the table that contains the cell you want to split. Once you find it, click directly on that specific cell. Make sure the cursor is active inside the cell you want to change, because Google Docs needs to know exactly which part of the table you're editing. After selecting the cell, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several table-related options. If you're using a trackpad or a device without a standard right mouse button, you can usually open the same menu by using the appropriate secondary click gesture for your device. From that menu, select the option that says Split Cell. This is the tool that allows you to divide the selected cell into smaller parts without needing to rebuild the whole table manually. Once you click Split Cell, you'll be asked how you want to split it. At this point, choose whether you want to split the cell by columns or by rows. In other words, decide whether you want the cell divided vertically or horizontally. This choice depends on how you want your content to be arranged inside the table. Next, enter the number of sections you want the cell to be split into. For example, if you want the cell divided into 2 parts, type 2. If you need more sections, just enter the number that matches your layout. It helps to think ahead about how much space your content will need so the table stays neat and easy to read. After that, click Split to apply the change. Google Docs will immediately divide the selected cell based on the direction and number you chose. If the result doesn't look exactly the way you expected, you can always adjust the table afterward by resizing rows or columns as needed. And that's it. You've successfully split a cell in a Google Docs table. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when formatting your documents more precisely. Thanks for watching.